Hey, this is Jeff from Task AGI. This process used to take hours. Now it's automated with Task AGI AI agents. Let me show you how.
Building backlinks is crucial for SEO, but reaching out to hundreds of websites manually is exhausting. You have to open each site, find their contact form, fill it out with your pitch, and then track who responds. It takes hours or even days to reach just a handful of prospects. This AI agent changes that. It takes a list of websites from your Google Sheet, visits each one automatically, finds and fills out their contact forms using AI, and even sends follow-up emails through Outlook. All while you focus on other work. Here's how it works under the hood. The agent starts by reading your Google Sheet where you've listed all your target websites and outreach messages. Then it loops through each row, one website at a time. The browser automation kicks in and navigates to the website just like a real person would. The AI analyzes the page to locate the contact form, whether it's in the footer, a dedicated contact page, or anywhere else on the site. It intelligently fills in all the fields with your customized message, name, email, and any other information you've provided. Once the form is submitted, the agent logs the result back to your Google Sheet so you know exactly which sites you've contacted. But it doesn't stop there. The agent can also send personalized follow-up emails through Outlook based on your schedule. If someone responds, it tracks that too, keeping your outreach organized in one place. Setup takes about 5 minutes. Just connect your Google Sheets account, set up browser automation, link your Outlook, and you're ready to go. Over 200 people have already deployed this agent, and our team offers free setup support if you need help. Stop spending your time on repetitive outreach tasks. Deploy this agent now and start building backlinks at scale while you focus on creating great content.